Hey guys, just a quick video, but this one's really packed full of value. Are you struggling to get the desired results by just hand polishing alone? This video may just offer you a really useful alternative. As you can see, this wing mirror cover is really scratched. Did you know you could turn your cordless drill into a really powerful little mini polishing machine? So we're going to need some cutting compound or polishing paste. Also a cutting or polishing pad. So we're obviously going to be using a cordless drill. And we need a backing plate and spindle that attaches to a cordless drill. Check the links in the description of this video to find out any of the tools and the accessories used. First thing we're going to do, we're going to apply some of the cutting paste. Just a small amount is needed. If it's the first use of the cutting pad, make sure you prime it first with some polish directly applied to the pad. Simply dab and spread the polish around. Then, using a slow setting, work the polish in, moving the polish around and make sure the machine is moving at all times. The cutting paste immediately gets to action, but for the best results, keep working the polish in. Once you've worked the area in, switch the speed up on the drill and keep the whole system moving. Go over each area in a uniform pattern. Continue to work the cutting paste in until it completely breaks down. As the paste is broken down, you will see that it has become more oily and transparent. The more it is worked in, the more they refine the finish. Wipe off any polish excess and inspect the area. Repeat the process if necessary. That looks a million times better already. Look at those results. For a very small cost, with very few tools and a very small amount of time, we've completely transformed the paintwork on this wing mirror cover. This is something that anyone can do from home. All you need is some basic tools and a cordless drill. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. All we ask is please hit subscribe, please hit the like button and please leave us a comment. Stay tuned for more videos and more content. Cheers.